Logic puzzles often rely on a shifting perspective. To solve them, we must move away from the collective group and isolate a single subject. Look at the specific phrasing. Tom, a boy, has 2 brothers. Each of his sisters has 2 sisters. How many children does Tom's mother have? We solve this by mapping the relationships on a family tree. We start with the mother at the top, branching into boys and girls. Separating these branches lets us fill in data points individually, preventing mental errors. The answer emerges once we build the tree from 2 vantage points and combine the results. Take the statement that Tom has 2 brothers. It is easy to focus only on that number 2 because it is the digit explicitly written in the sentence. This leads to the subject omission error, a mistake where the person speaking is accidentally excluded from the total group count. On our diagram, we have to start by placing Tom himself on the boys branch. Once Tom is accounted for, we can map out the 2 additional brothers he describes. Now the total is clear. Tom plus his 2 brothers equals 3 boys. Whenever a subject describes their own siblings, the final count must include the subject to be accurate. Now consider the second part of the problem. Each of Tom's sisters has 2 sisters. We can decode this by looking at just one girl. Let's call her Sister A. If Sister A looks around and sees exactly 2 sisters, how many girls are in that group? Take a moment to calculate the total. Since she cannot be her own sister, 2 other girls must exist to satisfy what Sister A sees. This logic holds for everyone. Sister B sees A and C. Sister C sees A and B. Our mapping shows a total of 3 girls here. The phrasing "has 2 sisters" is a way of describing a group of 3. The apparent total changes depending on who is doing the counting. Now we return to the full family tree to find the total number of children Tom's mother has. We simply combine the 2 branches. 3 boys plus 3 girls equals 6 children. The correct answer is B. This logic applies to any variation of this puzzle you might find. To find the total group, always add 1 to the stated number of siblings to account for the speaker. Adding that one person turns the perspective trick into a simple calculation.